You know those days when it feels like your AP inbox is a never-ending avalanche? Vendor calls piling up, invoices going missing, and your team just can't catch a break. Yeah, you're not alone. Let me tell you about an agricultural equipment leasing company that was drowning in AP chaos. They had a massive invoice backlog, vendors breathing down their neck, and a staff so overwhelmed that even bringing in temps wasn't helping. To top it off, those vendor statements, coming from all over, with mismatched numbers and errors left and right. Sound familiar? So, what did they do? They called ARDEM, and that's when things got real interesting. With almost no onboarding drama, ARDEM's team went live in just 2 days. 2 days. They dove right in, sorting through over 250 AP emails every single day. They didn't just process invoices, they prioritized the high-value vendor backlogs and rolled out some clever reconciliation tricks. PDF to Excel tools, accurate number matching, you name it. Within weeks, the chaos was gone. The backlog cleared, invoice accuracy over 99%, vendor payment inquiries completely stopped. Not a single escalation after ARDEM took over. The best part? The team scaled up with the work. From 2 to 4 full-time pros, handling not just invoices, but vendor setups too. Suddenly, the client had a full-service, outsourced AP department without the hiring headaches. So if you're tired of playing catch-up and ready to leave invoice chaos behind, maybe it's time to let ARDEM take the wheel. Imagine a world where AP just works. I promise it's possible. Ready to talk? Let's bring some harmony back to your AP.